Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of these G9 LED light bulbs. I got these to insert them or use them in one of the life Crystal Chandeliers, and they don't come with the bulbs, so I had to get them separately. Plus I needed extra bulbs. One bulb is like $6-7 in Home Depot. You got a few here for $12. So let's open this up. It comes in this case. It looks like a little cassette, which is cool. And it says here, estimated yearly energy cost is 6% based on 3 hours a day use. Is 11 cents kilowatt. It says cost depends on rates and use. Duh, not dimmable. Life based on 3 hours a day, it'll last you 22.8 years, and it's a 6000 K, I guess, pure white. Energy used is 5 watts, so it's made in China, of course. Let's open up the box. It says the picture is for reference only. Please make the object as the standard. And it's a 5-pack. Turn off the power before installation. Non-dimmable bulbs might not work properly with a dimmer. Yeah, they stress out the fact. Keep out of reach of children. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. All right, so we'll take this little sticky off. Hey man, it's cassette. Pretty cool. It's a 5-pack, and there they go. Wow, these look. I have to say, this is a nice sealed plastic. Actually, these are rose. C certified. This is pretty much how they come. So you get 5 for $12. And this video is in no way or shape or form sponsored. Let's see something. This is not the correct. This is not the correct socket for it. Hey, but we can test it, right? That's the whole point. Let's see how bright this is. Let's see if this works. Keep out of reach of children. I'm not a child. Last time I checked. Alright guys, so let's see. Now the switch is on this. It's from a little lamp, but hey, look, it works. Wow, that is bright. Oh, that's pretty bright. Okay. Okay guys, so really quick, these are going in this chandelier right here. This was also, I need to install it, so these are gonna go into this socket right here. Let me just raise the camera, see 1, 2. The lamp itself does not come with the bulbs, so these bulbs are supposed to slide in here. Yep. The G9s or J9s. Make sure they slide all the way in. If not, flip them around and yeah, it was a pain in the butt to actually assemble this lamp. Okay, make sure that it goes all the way in. Support it from the back if necessary. There you go. And then when they light up, I guess the reflection off of the crystal would also create that nice rainbow color. These are not real crystals. These are actually plastic crystals. You have to assemble each one and put them each in. Alright guys, so there you have it. Quick unboxing of these JandCase LED bulbs. Once I get this set up, I'll show you guys how bright they are. Okay guys, so here we are with those LEDs installed with that life lamp, and I just want to show you how bright they are. Boom. Wow. It's really bright, and it makes the chandelier pop. when you see it, you know, up close, when you see it without the camera, you will definitely notice that, you know, the clarity of the LEDs coming through the through those crystals, or imitation crystals since they're plastic. But yeah, I think that the LEDs do their job. I mean, they are bright enough as the regular LED 60 watt daylight bulb that was here, if not even brighter. So yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a preview of these two bulbs installed, and along with the Amazon Crystal Life lamp, whatever they call it. So there you have it. So that concludes this review. Again, this video is in no way sponsored. Like and subscribe. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, there's no much fanfare here. Just let's test all of them, make sure they all work out of the box. Yeah. Whoa. That's on me. I made contact somewhere. Oh, you got that on video.